Is your Samsung TV screen blinking, flickering, or flashing randomly? It's frustrating, especially when it ruins your viewing experience. The good news is that in most cases, this problem is not serious and you can fix it yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through the real causes and simple fixes that actually work step by step. Step 1. Check signal source. Sometimes the blinking is not caused by your TV at all, but by a weak or unstable signal. This usually happens when you are using cable or an antenna. Go to your TV settings and check the signal strength, then switch to another channel to compare. If the blinking only appears on certain channels, the issue is coming from the broadcast, not your TV. Step 2. Inspect HDMI connections. Loose or damaged HDMI cables are one of the most common reasons behind screen blinking. Disconnect all HDMI cables and plug them back in firmly. Try switching to a different HDMI port or using another cable if you have one. You should also remove any external devices like gaming consoles or set-top boxes to see if one of them is causing the issue. Step 3. Power reset TV. A simple power reset can fix temporary glitches inside your TV. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the wall outlet, and wait for about 5 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This process clears small software bugs that often cause flickering or blinking problems. Step 4. Update software. Outdated software can sometimes create display issues, including blinking screens. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. Tap on Update Now and let your TV install the latest version. This ensures your system runs smoothly and fixes known bugs. Step 5. Adjust picture settings. Certain picture features like motion smoothness, picture clarity, or eco mode can cause the screen to flicker. Go into your picture settings and turn off these options one by one. You can also slightly reduce brightness. These adjustments often stabilize the display and stop blinking. Step 6. Check power supply. Unstable electricity can lead to screen flickering. Make sure your TV is plugged directly into a wall outlet instead of a low-quality power strip. If you live in an area with voltage fluctuations, using a stabilizer can help protect your TV and fix blinking issues. Step 7. Run picture test. Samsung TVs have a built-in picture test that helps identify internal problems. Go to Settings, then Support, then Self-Diagnosis, and select Picture Test. If the screen still blinks during the test, it means the issue is likely inside the TV hardware. Step 8. Avoid overheating. Overheating can also cause screen issues. Make sure your TV has enough space around it for proper airflow. Avoid placing it in tight cabinets or near heat sources. Keeping your TV cool can prevent flickering problems over time.